Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to continue automating another test case from the login functionality, that is the test case number 11. So unfortunately, this test case we cannot automate guys. Okay, we'll try to simulate it, but we cannot automate because we don't have such kind of data where a particular account is kind of inactive and all. Okay, so here we need to verify logging into the application using some inactive credentials, okay? Account credentials, inactive account credentials. What does inactive account means? You see, already an account was created earlier, long back, okay? With some username and password, and that is valid credentials like valid username, valid password. But after a while, what happened after a while? After a while, the person who has created that account in the application has stopped using the account for a good amount of time. Okay, for a good amount of time, and it got deactivated. Okay, so the people or the company behind the application, okay, have identified all they have set some limits. If a particular person doesn't use this account for like more than 6 months, let's automatically deactivate the account. Some logic is written in the application, and because of which after 6 months, if the same person would like to log in, they'll get a message saying that your account is currently deactivated. Kindly reach the required administrating team or some kind of backend team, and and then try to get it activated. Then you can only log in. Till then you cannot log in, guys. Okay, this happens generally with banking applications and all. You see, you got uh, you create an account and you have not used it for a long period of time. Over a period of time, you will get a message saying that since you are not using your account is going to get deactivated in so and so days. If you don't want it to get deactivated, just do some action, they will say. If you don't take any action and you just felt that, okay, I don't want this, and you leave it like this. So as per their rules, it will get deactivated. It will become inactive. Automatically it will get inactive if you don't use the account for a period of time. Okay, whatever the time limits that is set by the application. Assume that we have such kind of account which is already inactive, which already got deactivated by the people, okay, of the company, and that account is currently inactive state, and we need to automate and see whether, okay, we can log into the application. We should not get logged in with inactive credentials. Okay, so fine, anyhow we don't have any specific data with us. Test data we need to get from the client. We need to ask the client that, okay, I need some test data of the user account credentials which is currently in inactive state. Okay, we need to ask to the client and we should get the credentials. What if in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some dummy credentials, guys. Okay, assume that these are inactive credentials, and will automate as if they are inactive. Okay, so fine. So for that, I'll go to this project, go to the login.java, and here create a method public void, public void login with verify login with inactive credentials. Okay, verify login with inactive credentials. Then at the rate test, then priority is equal to 11. Then write down priority is equal to 11. Verify login to the application using inactive credentials. First, we need to open the application URL and navigate to the login page after clicking on my account. Then we have to enter the email address of an inactive account. So here I'll simply say login page dot enter email. Okay, here prop dot get property, and here in double quotes I need to give the property name. But here before that I'll go to the properties file and add inactive email. Okay, inactive email, and I'll give this particular some sample random. This is not the real genuine one, but I'm just giving just for the sake. Okay, anyhow it will not get logged in with these credentials. I'm just trying to simulate, but in real time, if you get a real proper inactive email and inactive password, right? Inactive password. Here we can give 1 2 3 4 5 or something. That's okay. Any valid password only will give. That's okay. So here I'll simply go to the script and save this and copy this inactive email part. Okay, save this. Go here to the login.java and here write down, paste it. After that, I'll say login page dot enter password, and here I'll say prop dot get property. And here I'll give the property name, that is valid password here. I'll give the valid password here. Then after that, after giving the inactive email and valid password, what is the next thing that I need to do? Save this prop.get property and enter password. And after this is done, we need to click on the login button, login page dot click on, login page dot click on, login page dot click on login button. Once I click on the, sorry, login page dot click on login button, put a semicolon here and simply write down. And I should not be taken to any page, guys. I should be staying there on the same reset page. Okay. Sorry, I should be staying on the same login page only. Okay. Should not move further actually. Okay. So if I do something like this and click on login and give some credentials, okay, of inactive credentials, click on login. We should be staying there on the same login page and we should get this warning message. Okay. We have to verify whether we got this warning message on the login page. Okay. Assert true. Assert equals, let's say expected warning message, string expected warning is equal to, give that expected warning as warning no match for email or password, put a semicolon here. Expected warning, you copy paste here and here write down, inspect this part and this is HTML code and copy this, control F, double forward slash div at the rate class is equal to, okay, class is equal to, copy this, and simply write down driver dot find element by dot xpath, give the xpath expression. Okay, this part you take it here and say dot get text. I should not be writing like this. Rather, I should not be writing like this, guys. So how I need to write here, in place of this you have to write login page dot get warning message. Okay, this is enough. Okay, already we have created that in page object model page factory design pattern, so we don't have to do it much. Okay, save this. Okay, login page dot get warning, expected warning message. Okay, that's it, guys. You don't have to do much. The script is completed. Okay, you should not get logged in means you should get this warning message means you have not logged in. Okay, and fine. So let's do one thing. Let's run the script to see what exactly is happening. The test passing or failing. Let's see. I'm running the script to see whether the particular test is passing or failing. Yeah, the test got passed, guys. Okay, great, done. Let's go on to the next test, guys. Let's automate the next test. That is 12th test. Verify the number of unsuccessful login attempts. Okay, if you try to use the same email address and try to log in with the same email address with the invalid credentials, and if the login fails, how many number of times the application will allow you to, fail the script? Okay, for example, if I go here and give some thing like double one, okay, a motor recap double one is there, valid credential only, but invalid password I'll give. Click on login. First time I got this warning message. I'll click on it second time. Again the same warning message. Third time, same warning message. Fourth time, same warning message. Fifth time, 5 times I clicked here, same warning message. Sixth time. You see, when I clicked on it sixth time, then I'm getting this. Your account has exceeded allowed number of login attempts. Please try again in 1 hour should come. Okay, warning, your account has exceeded allowed number of login attempts. Please try again. That means your account is getting locked again in, after sixth attempt, it's getting, okay. Should be displayed after the fifth time of clicking the login button within the same invalid credential. Something is repeat steps 5 and for 4 more times or 5 more times. Okay. But I clicked on the login button 6 times, guys, to get this happen. I don't know whether, click on login button and repeat steps, step 5 more times, I'll say, to get that warning message. Okay. Should be displayed for the sixth time. Sixth time of clicking the login button with the same invalid credentials, we got that. Okay. So we'll try the same thing, guys. We'll use some invalid credentials here and try that out. Okay. This account will get locked for an hour of time. Okay. So let's try that out. Okay. Let's create a method public void public void verify number of invalid attempts. Okay, verify number of unaccepted or what is that, unsuccessful login attempts. Okay, just give some just proper name, that's it. Okay, at the rate test, and here give the priority is equal to, give it as 12, and here write down, save this guys, save this, and here write down, save this and write down, priority is equal to 12, verify number of unsuccessful login attempts, and simply write down login page dot email enter email, and simply say prop dot get property. Okay, and here give this email address some email address. Okay, email for multiple. Okay, sample email I'll say, otherwise sample email, just give some email guys, or sample email. Okay, just copy that, copy this property name, save this, go back here, and here write down sample email, and here login page dot enter password, and here prop dot get property, and here double quotes, give valid password. Then after that, login page dot click on login button, and this I need to do how many times? This I need to do first time, second time, third time, one, two, three, four, five, sixth time. Okay. After sixth time, we should get that message. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six. After sixth time only we are getting that message, I think so. So I'll just give some, here I'll give 111 login. First time we got this. Second time I'm clicking. No. Third time. Fourth time. Fifth time. Finally sixth time. Still not coming. Okay. I don't know what is happening here. Maybe you have to come to the page brand new. First time. Second time. Third time. Fourth time. Fifth time. Yeah. When you click on it six times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We should get that warning message. String expected warning is equal to, what is the warning message that we are expecting here? Warning. This should come here. Okay. Put a semicolon here, and here write down assert dot assert assert dot assert equals, and here expected warning. Just write down here login page dot get warning message. And after every login attempt also we'll get a warning message guys. Here I'll say string expected warning is equal to, here already I declared, I'll just remove the double declaration here, I'll change the message here at this line, and here I'll write down this warning should come for first 5 items. Okay, for the first 5 items this warning message should come. I'll copy this part and provide it here every time, expected warning, and here login page dot get warning. Okay, this should match till here. Okay, as a dot, a different warning will come for the first 5 times, but after the sixth time of clicking we'll get a different warning message. So we have written the script like this guys. Let's see, run the script to see whether it is working fine or not. The script will be a bit faster, but we have to see that happening. 1, 2, 3. You see, the test got failed guys. Somehow that is warning. Okay, when it came, let's see in which line it came. So login 199 line. Okay, here it is coming. Yeah, okay, maybe whatever the warning we are getting, maybe coming different. Okay. Okay, with the warning text, right? Okay. Here, this warning also I need to copy this. This warning message is coming, right? That's okay. Maybe we have to give something proper here. Just go here and give a different email address 12345. That's it. Save this. Now close all. Run the script now. This should work fine this time. Run it to see what is happening. One, still failed. Warning, you must have, okay, but found warning. Okay, but found no. Okay, in which line we got that exception? Let's see. Here only we are getting that. That means still here it is everything is working fine. But here also, first time when you click on the button, we are getting this. Second time, we should get that. Third time, we should get that. Fourth time, we should get that. Fifth time, should get that. Sixth time, we should get a different message, right? But here, which message is coming basically? Okay. After sixth time also, it's not coming, guys, in this case. I'll do one thing. Just add some thread dot sleep or something to see what exactly is happening here. Just for demo purpose, I'm adding this. Copy this so that we can investigate what exactly is the problem here. Not be closing the, okay. Here also I'll say thread dot sleep here. Okay, that's it. Now run the script with a different email here. Every time you have to change an email if it is not working fine. So run the script. One, three, four, five. I've seen that there is a message coming, but maybe by the time we clicked on it, you know, I'm able to understand it. So here I'll do some changes to the script, guys. Okay, I'll do some changes to the script. Just give me a second. It's kind of dynamic message, maybe. 1 minute. Okay, what I will do here is instead of giving sample email here, I'll just remove that sample email from here. Every time I'll give a brand new email address that is better to check this kind of stuff. So here I'll give, instead of this, I'll simply write down common details dot generate brand new email. This is better, guys. Now I'll just give 5,000 seconds. Okay, before verifying this, I'll give this thread dot sleep 2 seconds and then yeah, let's see what will happen. Run this script. It will be bit fast. Oh, okay. Warning, your account has exceeded allow number of login at please try again, but found warning no match for. Okay. A lot of things are coming here, but found is coming. So what is that happening here in this line, basically? Here originally expected warning is like this, and I replaced the expected warning with, oh, sorry. This one I copied. This one I have to remove. This is the problem. The problem is with the message itself. Okay. Warning, your account has a number. Please try again. I think this will work this time. I don't have to give the thing also. Okay, this will work this time. Okay, so here in expected warning, I gave a wrong. Some extra text was there because of which it was failing. Otherwise, it will work fine. Run the script this time. No matter how many times you run, no need of going to the properties file also this time. It should work this time. One, two, three, four, five, six. And the test got passed. Everything is working fine, guys. You see, small mistakes will be there sometimes. We may imagine that we have done a very blunder mistake, but it will be very small mistake a lot of times. Okay, that's what happens in real time. Save all. So we have successfully automated the 12th test case, guys. Let's move on to the 13th one now. What is the 13th test case all about? Verify the text into the fields is toggled to verify the text entered into the password field is toggled to hide its visibility. How to verify this? Okay, it's very simple to verify this. How to verify that the text entered into the password field is toggled to hide its visibility? Simple, guys. Just go here. Okay. So manually, I'll show you. I'll go to the application, go to the login page, and here I'll inspect this password field and see whether the here type attribute value is password or not. Okay, if this particular input field has the type attribute as password, then we can confirm that here whatever the password you will enter will not be visible to the user. Okay, simply need to get the retrieve the attribute value of this type attribute of this particular password field, and then the things are good. Okay, simple, guys. It's a very simple test case. So public void verify password field in login page is toggled to hide its visibility. Verify text entered into password field is toggled to hide its visibility. Like this I'll write. Okay, visibility. Okay, the name is method name is very big, guys. Test test, guys, and here write down priority is equal to 13, and here write down login page. Once we navigate to the login page, guys, what we have to do? Login. Here I'll simply write down string expected type is equal to what should be the expected type here? Password should be the expected type. Okay, the field should have the password as expected type, whether it has or not. Okay, we'll find it out. Asset equals. Okay, asset equals. Create a method. Copy this. Put a comma here. Paste it here, and then before that you write down driver dot. Instead of driver dot, you simply write down login page dot get login page dot. A lot of methods are there here. Get the type of. Okay, you say get methods, get email placeholder, get password placeholder, get warning message, but get password field type is not there. Okay, so I'll create a method in the login page. Go to the login page here, find the login page, and here already login password field is already there, guys. Password field is already there. I'll just go here and create a method here, writing public string get password field type. Like this, I'll create a method and give that password field and say dot get dom attribute, and here I'll write down get dom attribute and put a semicolon here and write down return. I'll say return. Okay, return, and here I have to give that as type. Okay, we have to get the type attribute value which is password. So now save this and call this method login page dot get password field type. Okay, if it matches with the expected type, that is password, then we are good to go. That's it, guys. The script is all done. Okay, it's how simple the script is. Okay, there's nothing much time it doesn't take. Okay, run the script. So 13th test case we are running and see what is happening. The test got passed. Okay, clearly you can see that the test got passed. The test got successfully passed. Fine. Next, what is the next thing? So 13th test case is also done, guys. Okay, So we'll stop here with the 13th test case for this session. Okay. So in this session, 11, 12, and 13 test cases we have successfully automated. We still have a lot of test cases, guys, till 23. So the remaining test cases we'll try to automate in the upcoming sessions. Till then, see you. Bye bye.